Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 36. If we start with this row, we're missing 6 and 7. I don't see any help, so 6, 7, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing, oh wait, we have a 7 there. So 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so 6, 7. 7 covering both of these boxes. 6 here, so 1, 4. And 1, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 6. We've got 6 here, so 1, 3, 4. 1 covering these boxes, 6 here, so 3, 4. 1, 3, and 4 here, so this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 5. 2 covering these two boxes, 5 here. So this is our 8. That 2 makes this our 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got the 4 here. So 5, 7. 5 here, so 4, 5. 7 here, so 4, 5. Oops, sorry, so this should be 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 5, and 8. We've got a 4 here, 5 and 8 here, so this is our 2. No help here, so 4, 5, 8. 4 and 5 here. So this has to be our 8. We can get rid of this 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 here, so 3, 6. 3 here, so 4, 6. And no help here, so 3, 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 9. Got the 7 and 9 here, so 3, 5, 5 and 9 here. So 3, 7. 3 covering these boxes, 5 here. So 7, 9. 3 and 9 here, so 5, 7. So it looks like the only place our 9 can be is here. For this box, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these 2 boxes, so our 7 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. This one's getting a little bit messy, guys. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 6. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 4, 6. 1 and 6 here, so 2, 4. But it looks like then the only place the 2 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 8, and 9. Got the 8 here, so 3, 4, 9. No help here other than the 8, so 3, 4, 9. Just looking back here, the only place the 6 can be is here. That 6 makes this our 4, 1. We can get rid of this 4. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 3 and 4 here, so 1, 8. But as I look now, that's the only place in that row that our 1 can be. For this box now, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. And this is the only place our 8 can be. So we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. Now we look at this box, the only place left for our 8 to be is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. Got the 5 here, so 4, 6, and no help here, 4, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got the 6 covering both of these boxes, but no other help, so 1, 3, 1, 3. That means our 6 has to be here. That 6 makes this our 3. So we can get rid of this 3, this 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 8 here and a 6 here. So this is our 9. That 2 and 8 makes this our 6. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 9 makes this our 4, 3, 9. That 4 makes this our 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3, 4. So for this column now, our 6 can't be here or here, so it must be here. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 5, 4, 5. That 5 makes this our 7, 3, 7, 5, and 4. And we made it. So there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.